Good morning.
Good
What
morning.
day is it?
What day is it? Today is hanging the drywall. The hangers are here today. They're making some good progress. Looks really good in there. It looks different. We're going to get some video soon. Shay and I are going to focus on the well house. So we're going to get the frame up because our well guy is hoping to get out here next week to put in the filters and all the good stuff. So busy weekend this weekend.
So let's get at her.
Okay, so here we go. You saw the pictures and the videos of the inside of the home with no walls, no sheetrocks up yet.
Just the framing.
Just the framing. So we're going to give you a small tour of the nice sheetrock that is finally up now.
Yep, they did a great job.
They did a fantastic job. So this is the master bedroom with beautiful views out the windows. I mean, we just are so blessed.
And there's the onyx there, too. That's going in the shower. There's a hallway to the master bath, and you see that, right? There are no doors.
And there's the master closet, which quite a bit of family think that that's an extra bedroom for our cats, which
it's not. There's our big vanity, our little vanity, fireplace, and 2 toilets. John. There's where the onyx goes. That's going to be really nice. Of course, the fancy toilets that we got. We got fancy toilets.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, and here we go into the living room. And above each of the master bedroom door and the guest bedroom door, we have some openings, and that's just for air circulation.
Yeah, it'll be more efficient on heating and cooling the place.
Right. So this is the guest room.
And there's a cool truck, I guess.
Mm-hmm. There's the guest closet.
Back into the living room, around the corner, and there's the kitchen. Look how big it is.
We're going to put an island in the kitchen. It's going to seat 4.
Yep, it's going to be real nice.
Yep.
We haven't decided yet if we're keeping the butcher block or what kind of countertops we're doing. We're still debating. Got some nice can lights in it.
Mm-hmm. There's our big pantry.
Big pantry.
Got to have that.
Yep. Got have a lot of storage.
Right.
And there's the guest bathroom, aka Shane's bathroom. No matter what you say, it's mine.
Whatevs.
And it turned out nice, and it feels bigger than I thought it would. We didn't put a hole in the top of that door because we didn't want the stench to get out.
Really?
Yeah, really.
I would say privacy. So this is part of our frame for the wheel house?
Yep. The back wall.
The back wall.
It's really kind of disappointing how crappy this material is. And the worst part about it is that it says American made all over it.
Really?
Out of bullets. Again, this is our Harbor Freight nail gun, and it works great. Rolling short. No, it's right there.
She's hiding from you.
Yeah. I'm afraid it's going to get shot.
You really hear those cicadas.
Yeah.
They're pretty loud on the property.
Yep, they're here.
Got the cement put in for extra support for the well house frame. Shane even took out some trees a little bit here to make some room for the well house. It's quite a big tree.
I got a lovely butterfly that won't leave me alone. He loves me.
It's been 2 days of this. The butterflies think he's a flower. You can see them flying around Shane.
Yeah, I stink good or something.
Don't even leave in your arm.
I know. Dude, give it a rest.
Okay, so Shane's putting together the
Sidewalls.
side walls. And there's the back wall. And then over here we have the front wall with the door. The sheetrock in the house is hung, so we'll show you that later when we make it into the house. Look at there. We have a partial building.
We have a wall up. We're putting up walls.
3 more to go. That sucker's heavy. Anything you want to say?
No, nothing to say here. Tired. Wore out.
I bet.
Already had one day of this, and now we're having another day of this, and chances are we're staying the night again, so we're going to have another day of this. And thank you for shutting off.
Yes.
I'll have to turn that down.
Great.
Okay.
Back to work.
Back to work. Yeah. Too old for this stuff.
Well, sides are up, front's up, back's up. I felt a raindrop.
That's time for the hardest part, and we thought that was hard.
Yeah. A lot of muscle that we don't have.
We're getting them though.
Yeah.
So we got a new toy. So we'll see how this works, see if this helps us. Got it from Harbor Freight. We got a really good deal. It's a Hercules.
It's what?
Hercules.
Hercules.
Hercules. So we're gonna put this dude together and see how it works. See what we have to change on it, or if we have to change anything. So we're gonna assemble it, see how difficult that is. Hopefully not too bad. While it's raining, because we can't work outside, which that's where most of our stuff is right now. So hopefully it'll dry by the time we get this done, because we kind of need to use it. I'm working off the back of my truck just because we were trying to beat the weather that was supposed to happen today. Well, it really hasn't. It's supposed to only be an hour. Okay, well, we almost have this unpacked. The first thing I noticed was this big handle. Very easy to open that thing up. That's nice. That is really nice. Look at that. Oh, it's got a nice handle on it. This is a nice piece. I'm impressed.
Looks sturdy.
It feels sturdy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I wish I could sit on this thing.
Get up there and chill.
I don't think so, Tim.
Tim? Really? You just called me Tim.
Yeah. Tim the Tool Man.
I like that show.
I do too.
It makes me laugh.
Wow.
Mm.
It's pretty nice. So far, I'm impressed.
And it's very pretty. It has pretty colors.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's a long ways.
Mm.
And this is all adjustable. Okay, so that's the wrong way. Look at that. Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
These dudes, I'll have to get out the instructions to see which way these go. But it doesn't look like it's any big deal to change it from one way to the other. So this is what we're doing because it's actually raining. We can't use our electric tools because we just don't feel like getting electrocuted. Not today. Maybe some other day. So far, this thing seems really nice. We got it on sale. It got 30% off because we were members at Harbor Freight. So we decided, well, we need this because we'll be doing some trim and all that stuff. So oh, okay. So you put it like this and you just put it up here to stop.
Oh.
So you just put it in, slide it up to here.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. Or you use it for a roller. Nice. Nicely done, sirs. Okay, well, I'll read the instructions and we'll get back on here. Yeah, it's raining just a little bit more than we thought. pretty easy.
Hmm.
There's not much to putting this together.
That looks pretty simple.
Yeah.
Gonna start hailing again. Hailing in a metal trot. Nice. Woo!
It sounds working really.
It does.
Yeah, they're about the size of a marble.
Yeah, this pail is the size of a marble, but on the way from the Jicamo, they were about golf ball size hail.
That was pretty good stuff.
We thought it was going to bust out the window of the truck.
Give me our axle. The box.
Rain sunshine.
That means there's probably a rainbow out there somewhere.
When it stops raining, we'll go look.
I don't know if this thing can be mounted on this.
I have to have a certain type of saw.
No, it's supposed to be universal. So this thing went together nice. Everything was really nice about it, except I got an antique saw, miter saw, and the mounting points back here, well, they don't have any of that. So now I'm going to go back to where I came from and start and fabricate something so that I can bolt this on. So we're getting ready to throw some sparks instead of some wood. What are you doing? got one more to go. Yeah. Ta-da! That ought to do it. How about that? Backing up, I even missed the big rock. You ready?
Here we go. Oop.